Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change server size in Roblox Studio. This will be a quick and easy tutorial, so follow along. Just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, basically open up Roblox Studio, of course. Roblox Studio is opened up, go ahead and hover up to the top left of the top left corner, click File, and click Experience Settings right over here. Before, the maximum server size is actually on this thing, but now we have to click on Manage on Creator Hub. Now go ahead and click on that, and it will give you to the web browser right over here. Once done, go ahead and click go ahead and click on your place. And to do that, just go ahead and click on Configure Places right over here. Click on your place. Go ahead and click on Access. And as you can see, maximum visitor count can be edited. Just go ahead and do 100 or 1000 or 200 is actually the minimum. Then click Save Changes. Basically that, as you can see, place access successfully updated. Basically that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.